Hello and welcome to this short video on Kupo's Super Grip accessories. Super Grip doesn't refer to a red-caped, flannel-wearing superhero that can leap tall buildings while performing complex rigging tasks with ease, but it's a good guess. In a Kupo lexicon, Super Grip refers to a family of precision-crafted ball and socket swivel adapters for a myriad of uses. Let's take a look and see what makes this particular family of adapters super indeed. The Super Grip adapters all feature a precision-engineered all-metal ball joint that consists of a die-cast aluminum socket that holds the ball. The lower part of the base features a cylindrical collar in which you will find a black metal adjustable ratcheting handle that controls the tension or locks the ball joint. The black handle can easily be repositioned or ratchets by pulling it away from the collar, rotating it where it's comfortable, and releasing it in that position. Below the collar, you'll find a 1 1/8 inch junior pin designed for junior receivers once you remove the metal knob. And just so you don't lose it, Kupo created a knob keeper, a tapped hole in the cylindrical collar, to hold the knob for you. And a baby 5/8 inch receiver on the inside, which uses the metal Kupo knob to lock it in place on a baby pin. Above the socket, you'll find a precision-machined steel ball, giving you incredible flexibility. The socket has a notch cut in one side, giving you the ability to move the top adapter through an arc of 115 degrees. By loosening the ratcheting handle, securing the ball joint, the base also easily rotates 360 degrees for further positioning flexibility. The ball and socket joint is quite strong and holds an impressive 22 pounds. The Super Grip Double Baby Receiver consists of a baby 5/8 inch receiver junior 1 1/8 inch pin combo on the bottom, and a baby 5/8 inch receiver junior 1 1/8 inch pin combo on top as well. Let's rig our Super Grip Double Baby Receiver with a Kupo Duckbill clamp, often called a platypus or preacher clamp as they're commonly called on set, with a B-board or bounce board. Now you can easily make small adjustments when positioning your B-board. As you can see, there are virtually endless applications for the Super Grip family. Whenever you need to add a strong, flexible ball joint that adjusts in seconds for any of your rigging needs, a couple of Super Grip adapters in your grip bag will deliver when you need them. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.